Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I've got some parts that we've just finished up in our new milling machine. And these are just some examples of what a CNC part would look like. These parts have burrs on them that you can actually feel and see. And it's kind of got a rough surface across the top of the finish. What we're going to do is we're going to take pictures of these with our brand new microscope so you can see exactly what these look like at about 200% magnification. Then we're going to take these over to our showroom right next door, and we're going to blast these in two different materials, and we're going to show you the different surface finishes we can get. Now, vapor honing will remove small burrs. If it's a very large burr, it's actually part of the substrate at that point, and vapor honing does not affect the substrate, so it's not going to remove that. But small burrs like this, we can definitely remove. We're going to get you a uniform finish throughout the entire part. One of them, these, we're going to do in like a glass bead and give you kind of a smooth, shiny finish. We're going to do the other one in an aluminum oxide and give you a surface that's actually prepped for coatings or anything of that nature. So we've taken a look at these pictures. We know what they look like now. Now we're going to take these into our showroom. We're going to blast these. We're going to bring them back out, put them back under the microscope, and let you see what the difference is. Okay guys, so this is a piece we just finished in our glass bead, and you can see the finish that we have on here compared to the original part. This has been all smoothed up. The burrs are all gone. We'll put this back under the microscope and take a look at that so you can see the difference. Now the second part, we're actually going to take and put in 220 aluminum oxide and give it a little bit more of a textured finish, which would be perfect for any type of coating that you'd want to put on afterwards. So let's check this out. So, huge difference between the two colors in the part. This has more of a textured finish to it, still wet, but it's still a uniform finish. All the burrs are gone compared to a glass bead, which gives you that shiny finish. The aluminum oxide's a little duller of a finish, but it's perfect for ready to have a coating of any kind put on, whether that be paint, Cerakote, powder coat, anything that you want to put on there, it's ready for that. We're gonna go dry these off, put them back under the microscope, take a look at them again so you can see the difference. So guys, we've finished these parts, we brought them back out here, we showed you the pictures. You can see the dramatic difference that vapor honing can create in your part, whether you need a surface ready for prepping, whether you need something that's just gonna be a finished product. Whichever way you need to go, we have a way that we can make that work for you. The substrate on these parts has not been damaged. They're perfectly good parts and ready to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, give us a call, 828-220-4983.